center bolt. I'll take the little nuts that are included in the kit. Oh, butterfingers. Get these on. Hey, go grab me the 9/16 wrench, please. Get these on. Kind of make sure I'm straight and they're even. Kind of cinch them up. And then what I'll do is thank you, sir. I'll tighten these up, tighten this up to get these kind of set. And now what I'm going to try to pull, I'm just going to do is I'm going to try to pull it out. And like I said, these might pull out. If they end up pulling out, I'll end up just having to just do another drill set and just start over. Now I could get a little fancy with a ratchet. What I like to do is just like to go slow. This isn't a race. Looks like it's starting to come out. You can see how it's starting to pull out. I'm almost there. And there we go. And there's the seal pulled out. So what I'm talking about, and here's where I can show you, is when these are in, you want these clocked to the outside like this. That way the meat of the hook is on the strong part of the seal on both sides. And so here's the spacer. Spacer's out. And every time you replace the seal, you always replace the spacer. Now that the seal is out, what you want to do is you want to make sure you look in here and there's no metal shavings. If you take the initial shavings out when you drill, you shouldn't have any metal shavings in. If you do, you can just clean them out. You can come in with a little air and get the nozzle in deep and just kind of blow any residual out. But I mean, you can look at this main shaft bearing right here and see it's clean. I don't see any metal shavings. The journal looks good. The bearings look good. So, but that is a key thing before you put the seal back in. And if you want to see how to put the seal back in, you can go to our YouTube page at 32 Choppers, and we have 2 videos showing you how to reinstall the seal in both directions, and that's with our seal installer tool. And that is the seal pooling tool from 32 Choppers.